Hi guys, in this video you're going to discover how to make money online by typing name, and you're going to be able to make around $100 to $400 only by typing name online. Alright, so this is 100% free. There's no investment needed. You don't even need to pull your credit card because it is 100% free and you can start right now. So before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and anything related to online marketing as well. So consider subscribing and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it does help my algorithm to reach more people. Alright, so the website or the company that I talk about is called Squadhelp.com. So head off to Squadhelp. You're going to be able to land to this particular site. So just want to brief you out what it does. Is actually a website that allow people, the business owner, to have the brand for their business, right? So you and me who have some sort of idea, who wanted to make money online, we can actually join the contest and we can give the name for all these contests for all this business owner. Then when we win the name, we're going to be able to make money around $100 to $400 per contest, right? So just take a look at all the website or the brand that has been working with this websites. There are so many brands. Over 25,000 customers has already worked with Squadhelp.com, right? So here's the thing. You may be curious, why would people willing to pay us like $100 to $400 only by typing name, only by giving their brand name? Here's the thing. This is actually part of the brand, right? So brand is very, very important. Brand is very, very crucial to business. So as you can tell, some people may purchase any product because of the brand, even though the price is slightly higher, but because of the brand, people trust the brand, they are going to buy the product instead from other brands. So I hope it makes sense to you. That is why brand is very important, and that is why all these business owner, they are willing to pay you only by giving them the business name. All right, so what you need to do, you can click on the green button over here to take a look at the contest that currently active. So just click on the contest tab and then you can go to the active contest over here. So we're going to take a look how much that we are able to make with if we can win the contest, right? So just take a look at this one, professional name for business and around and performance improvement company. You're going to be able to make $1,000, guys. So this one is $300 for name for construction and architecture business. And if you want this one, name for business supplement brand, you're going to win $300. So the list goes on and on. So this is how you're going to be able to make money by only typing name online. Okay, so you may wondering whether this is actually work or not. So just head over to the winner contest. Just head off to the winner tab. So on this particular page, you can see all the winners list. Okay, so take a look at this person over here, 300. This person just win 135, 100, and you can see the list goes on and on, right? Just scroll down below. You're going to be able to make to see more winner and more people are actually making money. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. You can even see the record, the past record for any person. So this person over here has made almost 11,000, guys, $10,130 already. So she has won 43 contests and she's making a lot of money by only typing name. You may think that this is actually just your side income, your side hustle, but if you can actually make 10 grand within a month, you're going to be able to have a financial freedom only by typing name. So that is why this website is so powerful. Let's take a look at other person over here. Let's take a look at months. How much money has this person make? Almost 11,000, guys. So this is insane. You're going to be able to make a lot of money only by giving their name. So now it's come to a crucial part, how you can actually get the business name, how you can actually get the idea for the business name. So in order to do that, you can just simply go ahead to Google and type in business name generator, and you can be able to access all the website that can actually help you to get the business name. For example, this one over here, this is business name generator. So what you need to do, for example, if you wanted to participate with any contest here, for example, like take a look at one of the contests. For example, if you wanted to participate with this contest over here, we're going to be able to win 300 in cash, right? A name for a dating site for people with values, right? So dating site. So for example, you just type in like, for example, relationship, or just type in dating instead, right? So what you need to do next is just click generate. So you're going to be able to have some sort of idea about dating, right? Dating.io, Datingly, Dating Romantic, Dating Cock, Dating Amore, Dating Uncensored, Dating Rose, Dating Yum, Dating Affair, and so many more down here, right? So same goes with this set as well, which is over low. So just type in dating, for example, and then you can simply go ahead and click the generate names, and you can see bunch of ideas that are related to dating business name, right? So blue like dating, dating times, middle is dating, dating inspire, dating lateral dating, and etc, etc, right? So same goes with this one as well. This is also the business name generator under Shopify. If I type in dating, you can see a lot more ideas with this site as well, right? So just take a look at each and every one of this name over here. You might want to shortlist it like 5 to top 10, and then you can analyze from the top 5 or top 10 which names can actually give you the better idea or the most compelling name, and then you can participate with all these contests over here, and then try to win all these contests. So as you can see, the person here, she has actually if you scroll down below, you can actually see how many contests that she has been participated. So entry submitted 368. So the idea is you need to join as many contests as possible. So she has won 10 contests, all right? So you need to participate, you need to join as much contests as possible to ensure that you're going to make a lot of money with this method, right? So I hope you got the idea, guys. So this is also the contest entered. As you can see, November 14 contest, December 7, January 18, 19, 19, 12, and 21. Okay, so she has won, like on November, she has joined 14 contests, and then she has won 3, right? So on April she won she won 3, and then she has participated for 12 contests. So the idea is the more contests you enter, the most contests you join, the more chances are for you to make a lot of money. Okay, so I hope it makes sense, guys. So this is by far the best way and the easiest way on how to make money online, only by typing, right? You don't have to have any skill set, you don't have to have any experience, you don't have invest or anything, because it is literally free to join, and you can actually make around $100 to $400 only by typing name online. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you like this video, so I can produce more content like this in the future, right? So don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, how to make full-time income online, click my first link in my description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.